If you want to completely disable Gemini or Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy A17, first of all, we can open Settings. Next, we need to scroll down in order to find Google. Over here in Google Services, we can switch to All Services, and then we need to find Search Assistant in Voice. Next, we're gonna go to Google Assistant. Even if you use Gemini, you want to go over here. And if you actually use Gemini, you want to go to Digital Assistants from Google, and you want to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant. Next, we're gonna go back, and then we have to open General, and over here we have Google Assistant, so we can tap on the switcher in order to turn it off completely. Of course, in addition to that, we can disable the assistant or remove it from the power button. So in order to do that, we're gonna go back to Settings. This time we want to open Advanced Features. Over here, go to Side button, and then we have long press. You want to switch to power off menu. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.